we can really like go against fast fashion. Not saying that we don't want people to have jobs and stuff like that.
My
right?
God, just
But we
make
can
this crazy
combat.
custom 101 pieces, man, with these machines. We also doing sewing classes on these machines too. Link in the bio. Also, if you need some beginner sewing classes.
Bringing a community, having a community with people that know how to sew. Man, this is unity. Building a community, man.
Today we working at the shop, man. I'm trying to tell you, we're gonna be doing a custom piece right here. I'm trying to tell you, man. It's gonna be a custom piece. Look at all the machines right here, man. You know what I mean? Check this out, man. This is what we doing, man. This is what we using today. Yes, sir. And then my guy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look, this is what we got so far. You know what I mean? Custom 101 pieces, man. Any images, man. I got y'all. Mix it up with something amazing. Let's go. Let's cut the arms out now. Yes, sir. So this is going to be the hood right here. Fire. Let's go. For the arms, I think we're going to use, I'm trying to tell you, watch this. Watch the end of this. Yes, go. So this is the arms right here, man. You know how we doing it, man. Star quality, man. I got y'all, man. Everybody that comes through and support, you know we gonna show love, man. You know what I mean? Let's go. Appreciate y'all. Let's do it. Now we got to start sewing this joint up. So we about to start heading up to the machine, and we gonna start sewing that joint up. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we got all the pieces laid out. My guy sewing up the arm right now. You know what I mean? This is what we do in the store, man. This is unity, building a community, man. You know what I'm saying? Because like a lot of like the fast fashion, it's like we can really like go against fast fashion. Not saying that we don't want people to have jobs and stuff like that, right? But we can combat fast fashion with like just unity, right? Just having like appreciation for each other. Teaching each other things that we don't know, like me and my bro right here teaching each other stuff that we don't know about sewing, right? So like that's just unity, and that's like how we can combat fast fashion also, with people just laying out on the floor, people laying out like just doing certain things, like not being able to see their family for long times, or maybe not at all, right? Like having to sleep by your sewing machine, having to go home and see your family for a little bit of time, may not be able to like love your family as much as you want to, things like that, right? So like fast fashion and it's just like so many things that go along with that. But bringing a community, having a community with people that know how to sew, and having a community that you're just teaching each other and learning and stuff like that, it's just awesome, man. You know what I mean? It's just a good way to go, and that's the only way to go, man, because why not be with each other, teaching each other things and learning from each other at the same time, right? Building a community with the trust, and that's worth all your time, man, and experience, man. So definitely get together with people and like-minded people, no matter what you're doing. No matter if it's sewing, basketball, soccer, playing foosball, like it don't matter what you're doing, right? So just get along with people and just know and respect other people if they got different opinions and stuff like that also, because everybody's not going to think like you. So at the end of the day, you just got to respect it and keep on going and keep on grinding and just be you. Everybody's going to have an opinion also, so everybody's opinion don't really matter if you really doing your thing and really love what you're doing, right? So yeah, let's go, man. Fast fashion versus us fashion, unity fashion. Let's go. My guy gonna sew y'all up some pieces now, though. Let's go. That's what we got so far. My guy, I see you, my guy. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, that's what we got so far for the supporting customer. You know what I mean? Crazy vibes, man. Check that out, man. Star quality on the arm, man. I made sure I had to put that in there, man. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. The back vibes. Check out the back. Ooh, heart vibes, man. Check that out. Yeah, we're going crazy. I'm gonna show y'all when we finish. Let's go. Last thing I got to do is finish the bottom. I just did this on a surgery machine. So finish the edges. So we're just gonna fold the bottom up and then make sure we got everything right. And then we're also gonna do the same thing for the arms over here, both arms here. So yeah, definitely. Let's go and do it. Shout out to everybody, man. Me and my guy just made this crazy custom 101 pieces, man, with these machines. We also doing sewing classes on these machines too. Link in the bio. Also, if you need some beginner sewing classes also, or you can hit me up for the real in-person sewing classes, man. Check out this crazy custom piece, man. This is what we do, man. I appreciate everybody for the support. Check out more of my sewing videos on my page, man. Let's go. I'm gonna show you the details of this, man.